Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Capcut Pro for completely free the right way. I know some of us are still starting out and we can't afford to pay for monthly subscription to use Capcut Pro or to use the current version of Capcom. Okay, so stick around to the end of this video because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how to get Capcut Pro for completely free or these pro features for completely free. Okay, greetings my people, my name is Zane. I'm a web developer. So if you need a website for your business, for your company, to where to wish me out. The link to my WhatsApp will be in the description of this video. Welcome back for returning subscriber, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because only your subscription I'm very grateful for that. And on this channel I create videos, contents on tech, how to make money online, content strategy, and YouTube goal. So if this content interests you, consider subscribing. God bless you. Okay, up to the video. Let's get right to the video. Okay, what you want to do is head over to your favorite browser and I'll choose Chrome and type up to down. Okay. Once you type up to down is click the first thing that will show to you. Will take you to the interface of up to down. This is the home page, and what you want to do now is go to your search bar or to your search icon, click it and type Capcut. Okay, once you type Capcut, you see Capcut will appear, and the current version is 18.1 on Zing. So you want to scroll down where you see old version. So when you see old version right there, you click it and you scroll down, you see a versions of Capcut. So what we want to do is we want to download a version that has all the features that are in this current version that are free and are completely free. So we want to go to a version where we'll access all these pro features for completely free. Okay, so just scroll down. I'm just going to fast forward this. Okay, just going to fast forward. I go to the version. I remember back in the days when I used to use Capcut back in 2022, 2023, those features would be they were free. Okay, so we want to go to a version like 7.0. So we'll click on it. Sorry for the talk back in here. Okay, so when you click on 7.0, you'll see download with up to down. So click on it, and up to down will be downloaded to your device. So you just open it, you install it. So once you click on install, up to that it's going to be installed on your phone. Okay. Okay, so it's installing. We just have to give it some time. Okay, once it's done installing, just open it. Okay. So once you open it, you see accept and download. So you just click on it. Sorry for the talk back here at the background. Sorry guys. So if you have to allow the permission for up to down, so you just click me. Go back. So Capcut will automatically start this stuff. But I think this is a core version of Capcut which is 18.1. So we don't want this version because it's still going to restore those those pro features, the current version. So what we want to do is we want to cancel this download. Ask you, do you really want to stop? We say yes. Okay. Now we want to source the old version of Capcut. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, or we're going to search Capcut again once. No. So you just search Capcut. Now it's really up to down, app itself. So once you search Capcut, you just scroll down and you see Okay, so once you type Capcut, you just scroll down and you see versions. We click on versions. So once you click on versions, you see a different version and you want to select version 7. So you just have to, navigate to the version mod you want to download. So I'm going to fast forward this process so it doesn't take us super time. Okay, so this is our version 7.0, which was October 2022. So you have to download this version. Okay, so let's give you some time to download. Okay, so once it's done downloading, what we want to do now is stop. To just click on it and get started. So CapCut version 7 is installed on our phone. So let's go back to home to see if it's installed. So just go, as we can see, this is CapCut. So we open it and let's say accept. Okay, so let's create a new project. Just click on new project. And now, okay, so let's just select this URL edit. Just take color, just put that, leave the watermark. Okay, so where's your watercolor visual? Once you've put your visual, let's explore these features. Sure, let's explore some of these features I pull in the current version. So what I always want to explore is, let's say, filters. So if you click on filters, we see all the filters here are free. Okay, there's no pro attached to it. So as you can see, all these features are free. Okay, so let's go back and explore another feature. Let's go to detail effects. So if you click on visual effects, you see all these features that are on the current version are all free ones here. So as we can see, it's free. Both features are free, guys. All these features are free, as you can see. So let's go back and explore another feature that in the current version is full. Let's go to something like, let's say, let's go to the extract sound, because extracted sound is always you have to detach it sound from your visual. Let's go to extract OG. So as you can see, this feature is also free. So most, if not all, the features on this version are free. So this is literally CapCut Pro. Okay, so as we can see, all these features here are free. Wow. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribe. Please, you are on the way to 2K subscribers, and please join the family as we meet 2K subscribers. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe and give a like to this video as well, so YouTube may know this video is useful and push it to many people as possible. You can consider sharing as well with some of your friends that have been paying or that have been doing subscription on CapCut. I mean, if you can do the subscription, fine. But if you can't, use this way. And I always happen in that way. So see you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe.